Softening opinions with might, an English learning adventure. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of conversational English. We're exploring how to use the modal verb, might, to soften our opinions and make our language more polite and gentle. This is especially useful in scenarios where you want to express an opinion that could potentially differ from the other person's view, without sounding too harsh or assertive. Might is a modal verb that we often use to indicate possibility. However, it's also an excellent tool for softening our language. When we say, "I think it might be a good idea," it sounds less assertive and more considerate than, "I think it is a good idea." The word might creates a buffer, showing that we are open to other perspectives. Let's see how might can be used to soften opinions in everyday conversations. 1. Instead of saying, "You are wrong," we could say, "You might want to check that fact again." 2. Instead of, "You should do it this way," you can use, "You might want to consider doing it this way." 3. Instead of, "This is the best approach," try saying, "This might be the best approach." Notice how each sentence with might sounds less authoritative and more respectful of the listener's viewpoint. Might can also be used to soften language in negative sentences. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Instead of saying, "I don't like your idea," try, "I might not be fully on board with your idea." 2. Instead of, "I don't agree," consider saying, "I might not agree with you on this one." These examples illustrate how might helps to lessen the impact of negative statements, making them sound more polite and respectful. So there you have it. The power of the modal verb, might, in softening your opinions and making your English conversations more polite and considerate. Remember, it's not just what you say, but how you say it that matters. The next time you're sharing an opinion, especially one that might differ from someone else's, consider using might to soften your language. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and happy learning.